What in the actual living fuck is this?
Stop ruining the machines, Major!
Freaking fucking critters! These are cold hard facts, Bullet!
This is exactly what I want to correct. You just walked into my office with a loaded...
Stop messing with my head! So one of these robots is Ekaterina Nechaeva, the wife I don't remember? Well, which one?
They both are!
I tried to bring Lesna back to life when her brain was literally ripped in half. I wanted to restore her right and left hemispheres. But the process was too complicated.
What the shit? But why? You're already fucking with people who are still alive. Couldn't you just leave the dead in peace? Which of my other memories have you wiped, boss? And how many times?
You couldn't accept her death, and I couldn't save her. I had to do it, or your life would have been a living nightmare. What else could I have done? You almost...
That's enough, boss! I'm willing to believe that you were acting in my best interests. But why couldn't you just tell me?
I'm sorry, Sergei. I wasn't sure what to do.
Right now, the right thing is to call off the twins and just talk to me.
Forgive me, but right now they're fighting Sheraton, not you.
Crispy critters! Can we just stop fighting?
Get rid of Sheraton. Take off the glove.
Okay, fine! First call off my wife!
We can do this! Don't listen to him! Sechenov is manipulating you!
Wake up, P3. Sheraton has been brainwashing you from the very beginning. Wake up!
Wake up.
What the fuck?
All of them.
Katya?
And I can't stop them. For so long.
Major! Wake up!
Right now.
Katya.
Your wife is dead! Sechenov took her from you!
Surrender, P3, and give me Sheraton before anyone else gets hurt.
Dmitri is suggesting that I'll be hurt. You will be next, Major.